What's up, everybody? We're back again with some more Gearhead tips, and this time we're going to be talking about how to protect your bike as well as maintain control when you're out on a ride. The first three things I like to do is get myself a nice new set of sharp foot pegs, some grippy frame protection, along with a nice gripper seat cover. These three things really help me maintain good attack position when I'm riding and have really good control over the bike. Alex, what do you suggest for actually protecting the bike though?
Yeah, one of the first things I would suggest would be getting yourself a set of swing arm protectors. Going to keep your swing arm safe, prevent scratches and dents when you're out there riding. Can't emphasize enough how important a skid plate is. Out on the trail, out on the track, it's going to help prevent damage to your engine cases or the lower part of your frame and save you a lot of money in the long run. We have a lot of other options for your bikes. You can hop on the website, contact a Gearhead. We can get you and your bike kitted for your next ride.
Thanks for watching. For more information about parts and tools used in this episode, visit MotoSport.com or chat with a Gearhead. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great tips.